Welcome to my YouTube channel PGK Kadam Academy. Dear friends, this is a series of the measurement and control of vibrations. In this video, we are going to learn why we need to measure vibration. Vibration हमको क्यों measure करना है? Why do we need to measure? Before that, we are going to learn what are the different causes. Why the different due to this vibration? What will happen? Vibration से क्या होता है? Wear too fast due to this vibration, what will happen? Wearing of these parts which are in contact, they are getting wear. Too much noise will be created. बहुत सारा आवाज क्रिएट हो जाता है. Due to this, it will be make noise. Breakdown unexpectedly. अगर हमारा शॉप चल रहा है, एक मशीन खराब हो जाएगी, then in that time the breakdown unexpectedly is there. बेरिंग डैमेजेस. बेरिंग अगर थोड़ा भी इसमें डैमेज हो जाएगा, दैट विल क्रिएट नॉइज, दैट विल क्रिएट द डिफरेंट ब्रेकडाउन्स. बेरिंग डैमेज विल बी देयर ड्यू टू द वाइब्रेशन. लूज पार्ट्स, दैट विल आल्सो क्रिएट द वाइब्रेशंस. डैमेज और worn out gears. Some gear is manufacturing defect is there. Due to this, what will happen? The worn out gears, that will also create the vibration. Imbalance in the machinery parts, those are rotating parts, or our vehicle also imbalance is there, then any machinery is imbalance, then it will create the vibrations. Misalignments while installing the machine, if the misalignment is there during the pumps, the motors are connected, the motion is transmitted from motor to the pump. At that time, misalignment slightly is there, then it will also create the vibrations. It will create noise. Looseness also create the vibration. Uneven friction. Due to the friction, also vibration will create. That's why we have to lubricate it, grease it. All the parts where it is required, there is a contact between two surfaces are there. Meshing of gear teeth. Meshing of gear teeth is not proper, and that time also vibration created. Unbalanced forces, it will create the force vibration. Wind is the natural source. Due to this also create the vibration in the like bridges, buildings, or the chimney like this, which are in contact with the wind. Earthquakes also create the vibrations. These are natural resources, the natural sources of vibrations. See, vibration measure for following regions. These are we have to measure. Find the vibration levels in vehicles, or we can see the two-wheeler or four-wheeler vehicles are there. The road is not clear. Due to this uneven surface of the road, it will create the vibration in vehicle. So that we have to take during this designing. The bridges were manufactured. After that, there may be possibility of vibrations due to the wind. Okay, so that highways, various highways are manufactured nowadays. That will also create the vibration. Buildings. So we have to check before the design is finalized for the structure of the building. So that the various devices are there, measuring devices are there. So we are going to learn in few further videos. Watch the videos of the different videos. Calculation and finding of the forces causing a particular vibration. What are the forces are there, that we have to find out. Evaluation of system properties. Different systems are there. That properties we have to define. Just like vibration, vibrating motors are there, vibrating belts are there, vibrating fans are there, vibrating pumps are there. So these are the sources. That's why we have to reason to measure the vibrations. The judgment of vibration isolation is perfect or not. Vibration, we have to avoid. The vibration isolation videos are there. You can see that video also in detail for vibration isolation. What are different isolations available in industry? Okay. So the condition monitoring of machine. It is needed for condition monitoring of machine. So for this purpose, we can check. See here, the vibration is measured through this device, and it is connected to this device, and it is displayed on this board, and also it is displayed through this system. So vibration is more or less, and indicate to the person who are watching these systems, or the system is continuously working in condition or not. Condition is more than this is in bad condition. So in that case, it will be give the alarm. So nowadays, machine conditioning monitoring using IoT. This is also available. Estimating the ground motions during the earthquake excitations. This earthquake, what will happen to these buildings? So you can see here, we can also measure before absorber added and after absorber added, how will the earthquake will affect on the building, that we can see. And we can, using the ANSYS like softwares are there, we can find out what is the nodal solution, what is the displacement amplitude in this is by using the ANSYS software. Vibration measure different reasons for the different similar machines like car. We can measure the vibrations while designing the car, and fridge or the washing machine. That way to measure the, because they are rotating parts are there that will create the vibration inside this all these car, fridge, and the washing machines. So that's why we have to reasons to measure. So why we need to measure the vibrations? That the natural frequency, measurement of natural frequency of machine or structure which is vibrating, useful for selecting the operational speeds, what speed they are working for the machine or that machine mounted on the structure. The operational speeds are selected such that they should be far off from the natural frequency so as to avoid the resonance. But to avoid the resonance, the frequency must be far away from the natural frequency. If the frequency of natural frequency and the frequency created by that system or machine is same, then it will create a resonance. And second point I want to say, to know the actual values of vibration characteristics of a machine or structure. This is because the theoretically calculated values may be different from the actual values due to assumptions. What are the assumptions are made that are considered? If suppose we have to consider where considered assumptions are more, then in that case also it will, actual values are different and the calculated value may be different. That's why purposely we have to measure the vibrations. In next point I want to say, the design. In design, vibration isolation systems are there. It is necessary to know the frequencies of vibrations and forces developed due to the vibrations. Also, the stiffness of the damping system of the vibration also we have to measure, that will be actually designed or not, according to design or not. So that's why it is reason to measure the vibrations. And next point I want to say, to know the information of ground vibrations due to the earthquake, the fluctuating wind velocities on the structure or buildings, so random vibration due to the ocean waves also is there. So it will detect the shift the natural frequency which indicate the possible failures. So we have to know the ground vibration due to the earthquake, wind, ocean waves, or etc. Different kind of the sources are there, natural sources. Now we have to study what are the basic steps for measurement of process. So you can see here vibrating machines, our structure is there, number one. And in number two, you can see here the vibration transducers are there. So these transducers are installed here. You can see in this picture, these two transducers are there. Transducers, what is the transducer also called as pickup? The vibration measurement process starts by sensing the vibratory motion from vibrating machines or structures and converting it into electrical signal. Here you can see here converted into signal conversion into instrument by using the instrument which like these instruments are. That may be instrument. This is a hand. Is one instrument for the one this node, and there are different instruments are there. We can pick up the signals. So this signal conversion unit is called the output signal from the transducer, which is in the form of voltage or current. That voltage or current is too very small to record it. Therefore, the signal conversion unit is used to amplify the signals from transducer to the required value. So it is process of the signal conversion instruments. This display unit is there. So that display purpose of display unit or the computer, you know that the output signals from the signal conversion unit is displayed on the display unit for the use of visual inspection. This information is recorded and stored in computer for the later use or analysis purpose. So data analysis is the next part. In data analysis can be analyzed to know the vibration characteristics or machine or structure. Here different we can get the idea related acceleration, velocity and displacement. Through these graphs we can compare the good condition and bad condition, and automatically it will give the is reason why where it is failure, at what speed, or what is the displacement, or what is the time. It will all recorded this condition monitoring. So friends, what are the different parameters we are going to study in the measurement of vibrations? First is the displacement, amplitude. Second is the velocity. The third is the acceleration. Fourth is the frequency of the vibration. So these are the four major parameters we are going to study, and individually one video on each: displacement, velocity and acceleration and frequency. So go through the video in this channel. This classification based on the contact between the vibrating system and instruments. These are the classification of vibration measuring instruments. The four types of the classification are there. Depend on the display method, depend on the classification based on the time-based measurement, and the classification based on the power source. These are the four different classifications are there. You can watch the next video, that classification, different type of the classification of vibration measuring instruments. So friends, if you're not subscribed this my channel, subscribe and share and like the videos. Thank you very much.